In this video, I'll show you how to run a Replit app on your phone. Start by signing into your Replit account and open the project you want to run. Next, click Run to start your application and wait for Replit to finish building and launching it. After that, once your app is running, click the Open in New tab or Open App button to open the live version of your application. Now copy the app's live URL from your browser's address bar. Next, open a web browser on your phone, such as Chrome or Safari, and paste the URL into the address bar. After that, wait for the app to load on your mobile device and test its features to make sure everything works correctly. Now, if your app uses a responsive layout, verify that the interface adjusts properly to different screen sizes. Next, if you've deployed your app using Replit deployments, use the deployment URL instead of the temporary development URL for a more reliable mobile experience. After that, make any necessary adjustments to your app if you notice layout or usability issues on your phone. Finally, save your changes, redeploy the app if needed, and refresh the page on your phone to see the latest version. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to run a Replit app on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.